This is WTF with Tom. I'm asking, I would like 2 million new subscribers. So please, don't forget, either there or probably down right there should be the new subscribe button. Need 2 million. I'd like 2 million. I'm asking for 2 million because we got a lot of neat new stuff coming. Want to have a playlist, and on that playlist we're gonna have stuff like making homemade beer, homemade wine, stuff to do when you're not at work. So it's just basically a channel that we can all get in touch with each other, share new comment, new conduct, and just stay home. And later on, we're actually going to be doing block parties. Everybody's going to stay in their yard, and I'm going to be blasting this thing. Yes, sirree. That thing is loud as heck. Got beer holders. Charges your phone on the back. It's actually got a bottle opener. Powered by a car battery built in. 10-year with limited warranty. Oh, it's going to be great. Get you back over here. There we go. Yes. So everybody, please subscribe to my new channel, WTF with Tom. It's going to be broken down into different stuff, like I'm making beer, and if it dumps all over, I'm going to say either how mad I am, WTF, or most likely, I'd be saying, what the fuck? So they're going to be broken down. What the fucks are going to be broken down in the playlist depending on what we're going to do. Make beer, make wine, anything but homemade toilet paper. So please subscribe down below and wait for new content, because episode 2 is being filmed now. Later. And don't forget, please subscribe, please. Later. Stay well. God bless.